welcome back to my YouTube channel. So there is a kind of video that I love to watch on YouTube, and that is monthly favorites. So basically I see like people doing monthly favorites, and also people like to do a video of all the things they liked in 3 to 4 months. So I'm gonna do a video where I'll be sharing all the things that I had been using from the month of January till April, and I love them, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. The first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is in the jewelry segment. So I got this tiny little earrings from Tanishq. It is so dainty, it is so like precious to me. It has like evil eye. I love it. It just goes so well with all your western wear, and you can wear it on a daily basis. It was in, I think, 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold. I don't remember exactly, but I loved it. If you're looking for something that you can wear on a daily basis within a budget, you can definitely go ahead and try this one out. Next, I'm going to share with you guys my skincare favorite, and it has to be this product. It is Aqualogica's Hydra Gel Moisturizer. If you haven't tried it out yet, you have to go ahead and try it out at least once. It is a gel moisturizer, and it is so lightweighted, and for the summers I think you're gonna love it as well. I loved it so much that I went ahead and purchased it again. As you can see, the texture is very light. Also, it is going to hydrate your skin for 24 hours. It has a very non-sticky kind of a texture, which I absolutely love. Also, I love the packaging. If you go ahead and see the packaging, they are so cute. I want to say you guys one thing, that you're gonna get this product for 399 rupees, which I think is really affordable for the quantity you are getting. If you go ahead and purchase this, I think it is going to last you for almost 3 to 4 months. The Hydra Gel Moisturizers comes in 3 variants: Glow, Illuminate and Barrier. All the products are fragrance free and color free. Today I am using the Glow Plus Hydra Gel Moisturizer. It is extremely lightweighted. It has vitamin C and papaya extract, and it is going to brighten your skin. All the variants comes in cool, fun, colorful packaging. I'm gonna mention all the product links in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, I have a coupon code. I'm gonna mention that also on the screen. If you go ahead and use my coupon code, you're gonna get some extra discounts. If you follow my daily vlog channel, you would know I love handbags, and I have included 2 bags in this video. First is this one. It's a pretty pink, neon pink color. And this one is from Michael Kors. I got it from Ajio. You can definitely go ahead and check it out over there. It has silver hardware. For few outfits, I particularly love silver hardware, and for few, I think golden hardware looks the best. So in your collection, I always believe that you should have few bags that has silver hardware and few bags that has golden hardware. So this is the first bag that I wanted to include in this video. The material of this bag is canvas, so it doesn't get scratched or anything. Usually if you have leather bags, then it is little bit prone to scratches. I love this bag, and if you like funky colors like neon pink or hot pink, you can definitely go ahead and try this one out. Next is this bag from Coach. As a person, I love this size. I think it fits my phone, then my card holder, everything gets fitted in this bag, and it is not that heavy as well. I don't like to carry a lot of things when I'm going out on a daily basis, because I have a shoulder injury and I don't like carrying a lot of things. So this is the perfect size. This one has golden hardware. It's an amazing bag. Also, the material of this bag is again in canvas, so it is not prone to scratches, and I can use it as much as I want. I thought I will not include this in this particular video, but you guys keep on asking which watch do you wear. I love your watch, Priyanka. Share the details of your watch. So this is the watch that I wear on a daily basis, and I had been wearing it for almost like 6 months to 1 year. Previously, I was wearing this watch from Daniel Wellington, but I lost it. I went for a shoot, and I kept it over there, and somehow it got misplaced, and I couldn't find it again. I really used to love that watch. If someday I feel like repurchasing it, then you're gonna see it on this channel as well. In clothing segment, I have 2 items, and only 2 items. First is this one. Okay, now I cannot provide the link of this outfit because I got it I think 2 years back, but I absolutely love it. It is in such a beautiful color and also it is perfect for summer. If I find similar pieces, I'm gonna link it in the description box. This one was from this brand called Fair Valley. Again, it is very nice, the material is very nice, and if you like this kind of dresses, then you're gonna love it. I don't know if it is available or not, but as I've said, I'm gonna mention similar dress links in the description box, so you can definitely go ahead and check that out. Summer is here and I love to wear kurtis during the summer. I think it is really comfortable and you look so pretty in kurtis. So I got this one from Amazon, and again I love the quality. It is in cotton and also it looks like chicken curry work, but this is not actually chicken curry work. Maybe on camera it is looking like that, but yeah, it has some hand embroideries which I really like. Also I love the color. I think this is a perfect color for this summer season. In this video, I'm going to include a candle. Recently, I started loving candles. Not recently, I would say in the last 1 year, I started liking candles so much. This one is from Basic Beauty and the smell is amazing. If you love home decor, then I think you should definitely go ahead and invest in candles as well. When you are lighting the candle, I think it just creates a lot of coziness at your place. I feel very happy and I feel very relaxed. As I've said, if you want to go ahead and get this candle, this one is from Basic Beauty and it is called Me Time. This was a gift that I had received and I am in love with this one. The last item that I want to share with you guys is in the food segment, and no, it is not anything healthy. It is a packet of YY. If you're a YY lover, please write it down in the comment section below, and also share a few recipes like how you like to cook your YY. I used to love YY like 3-4 years back. I used to love it. Recently I went ahead and got a packet of YY, 6 packet of YY in one packet. The packaging is really different if you get one and if you get the packet of 6 combo. Anyways, I love having YY. There are days when I feel like eating something very spicy and hot noodles instead of going out to a restaurant, or if I don't have time, I just prepare YY at home and I love it. So yeah, I thought I'll go ahead and include one food item as well. And that is it about this video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it. I have recommended all the products that I had loved from January to April. If you like to see this kind of videos, then definitely hit that subscribe button. I make a lot of haul videos related to skincare, vlogs. So yeah, if that is something that will interest you, please hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye bye.